What is up, guys? I am back. I'm super sorry that I haven't uploaded in a long time. Before we start out, shout out to Swerve DeFay. She has a YouTube channel. I don't know what the channel is, but she wanted a shout out. But anyways, sorry I've been gone so long. I've been going through like a lot of stuff right now. I've gotten really sick over the past couple of weeks. I've been really stressed out with like school and stuff, but now I am back and I'm going to try to make more videos. So yeah, yippee me. So today I wanted to play some Sky Wars. Also, guys, I'm gonna try to do a review of my Star Wars vintage action figure collection because I've had that for a while, and I wanted to show you. I know I've done a few videos on what I have, but you guys really haven't seen like all I have. The only thing I've really shown off is like one or two figures, but that's because like I unboxed them. But I really want to show off like good stuff that I have. But yeah, let me actually spectate. So there's two players left, and one of them seems to be AFK. Nice. Alright, be right back. I need to go get my charger. But yeah, if you guys can request any other games that I should play, I will gladly take that into consideration and consider playing the games you guys tell me to. There have been a lot of games that I've played recently that are not Murder Mystery 2 that I enjoy playing. I also might hit the trade hangout later on. I don't know yet. Kind of happy with the limiteds that I have. Just trying to. Oh, is he doing target practice? Oh, he's scoping out the noob. He's about to end this man's career. Whoa, look at all those arrows. Nice. Looks like he wins. That's kind of lucky. He got a free win. Whoa, check this guy out. He's all decked out. Let's get right here. Nice outfit. Like nice out. See, but I'm superior because I have the real 55k Robux limited. Please don't kill me now. I know you're more experienced than me. I like this. I like having my mouse because I can like play in first person. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. There's gonna be a lot of clicking. I apologize. Ooh, looks like we got some emeralds. Hey, how come I didn't get any coins? Oh, I actually think I did. Just didn't show them. Okay. Just gotta put that one right there real quick. I need these emeralds because I need cash. I am saving up for items, and that's nice. Alright. Gotta get these diamonds. Gotta mine the diamonds. There are still 7 players left. It looks like people are just mining. I'm just mining. I'm just mining. Alright. Time to scope these guys out. Oh, nice. The best way to come back. Okay, I'm kind of bored. I'm gonna play a different game. That's good for Sky Wars. Let's actually go to the catalog. I want to check out the limited. So I haven't. Oh, finally the funds transfer into my account. Okay. Let's go to collectibles. All collectibles. Let's actually go see the changes. I don't think I have any inbound trades. Yeah, no. Oof. Dang. Looks like Beth dropped. Yeesh. It's kind of sad. A lot of limiteds are starting to drop. I wonder why. Huh. Thankfully, those are none of my items because I got buckets. Buckets are lit. I'm still at 140 something K value. Yeah. Pretty much stabilized. Yeah. These two good items. Let's actually check this one out. Best price. Yeah, it's above. It's above wrap. There's only 15 Builders Club copies. Wait, no, I think this is a. What? I swear this used to be more. Hey, how come I'm not on here? Yeah, I'm not on here. I feel like this, hopefully this goes up because this is a very good item. How many Builders Club copies? 6? What the heck? What's going on? There's no way that's possible. Let's check it out on the 31,000. Yeah, it's selling below wrap, but oh wow. Huh. Who would have known? That's interesting. Let me check out my bucket again. Okay, these sold a bit more, but still, that's pretty good. 69K. One just sold for that amount. That's pretty nice. Well, anyways, I want to play a game for you guys, not just stay here trading. Okay. Play this game in a while. Crap. There goes my mom. For some reason, I can only spectate this guy. See what he finds. There's more zombies, but where are they? Oh, it looks like they updated some of the map. Wait, no, it's the same stuff. Never mind. Is it? Oh, I see a glowing light right there. Dude, you have to go look for the zombies. Oh, it's right there, but I don't think he sees it. It's like glitched. Everyone else left. That's kind of sad. Round 6 and 2 people only? That sucks. Don't buy that. No, go back. The zombie's there. They leave. Okay, guys. Let's see. This is gonna be on my own. Let's see how good I do this. Alrighty. Let's see how long I survive. Need a new gun. Oh, here we go. Haha, homeboy. Is that explicit content? Or what? Hey. I'm invited you here. No, you're stupid. Did you unlock the gate? Oh, okay.